Hey guys, I'm coming at you with an unboxing and reveal of my new little Chanel SLG. I had been on the hunt for an SLG for a while. At first I thought I wanted one of the small wallets, but I have the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, which I absolutely love, so I don't really need another one. And this card case, I hardly ever use, only because you can't put change in it, and I wanted something that I could also put change in, but I wanted something really small and compact, especially because I carry all my small bags most of the time. So anyways, I'll just get into it. This is a reveal. I got this at the Chanel Soho store yesterday. As soon as I saw this item, I knew that I was probably gonna get it just because, well, you'll see why. If you watch my videos, you know what I like. Here's a receipt. I just love the way they package stuff. It's just so cute. A little camellia flower. I love these little boxes. They're really nice and sturdy. I haven't had an SLG, a brand new one, in a while from the store. They come with these little, tiny little care booklets now. And I'll put this stuff right here. This is a cute little dust bag. I didn't realize they come with like the flat dust bags, or maybe I did, I just forgot. Anyways, here it is. Of course, it's black with silver studs. I mean, would I have gotten anything else? But look how little it is. This is very, very compact. It's called the, actually, I realize there's no tag. So it did not come with the tag. Nope. But on the receipt, it does say it is the O coin purse. I mean, they call everything the O coin purse. How are you supposed to decipher? But it is, this is black calf skin. It's definitely tougher than lamb, but smooth, not pebbled. And these are silver studs. They're still plastic over the CCs. So it opens up like this, and it opens up into 3 slots. Here is the authenticity card. It's a 25 series. And this one is, it says Chanel made in Italy. This is a leather tab. The interior is fabric. And, oh, I didn't even check that there. 255. Okay, there's the little authenticity sticker in there. I forgot about that. So it's got 3 compartments. So I figured I could put cards in one, cash in another, and coins in another. The sides here are, yeah, the sides here are leather, but the interior is fabric. What attracted me to this, first of all, is how, oops, is how compact it is. It is so tiny, which, here's a credit card, right? Look how tiny it is. And to be honest with you, when I saw the black and silver studs, I was like, oh, hell yeah, camellia print with silver studs. How cool is that? And at first I was looking at the 18C iridescent caviar like card holder with the back pocket, but it's bigger. And the flap, if you put coins in it, the coins can still come out. At least with this, the coins aren't going to come out because it's zipper. And I couldn't resist this pattern. Camellia print with silver studs. I mean, come on. I'm just going to take this off because I'm definitely keeping this. So it's got silver hardware. I'm going to show you in comparison to my Chanel card case. This is Chevron patent. Came out a few years ago, and you can see the color transfer I have on it. The same height. Actually, this looks like it's taller. They're actually almost the same size. That's how compact this thing is. I have a tape measure here. It's 4 1/4 inches long and 3 inches tall and 1 inch thick. So I want to show you it in comparison. I showed you with that. It looks smaller than just the flat card case, but it definitely fits more, including change. And here it is in comparison with my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, which the Victorine is bigger. You can see. I will do a review on this once I've used it and seen what can fit in it, because I still don't even know what can fit in it. In the store, I put some credit cards in there. What I do know is you can't fit bills folded in half. You have to tri-fold them, unless I just didn't do it right. But we'll see when I do a review. I just want to do a really quick, and I dropped it again. I want to show it to you in a medium flap. I mean, this is empty. I don't have anything in it right now. But so you can get an idea. So that's what I have, a clear base shaper on the bottom here. So that's what it looks like. It's very tiny. It will also fit upright. So this, I think, is going to get a lot of use out of me just because of how compact it is. And I like small wallets anyways. I just think it's so cute. Once again, this is called the O coin purse. It's in black calfskin in the camellia print with silver hardware. And it has 3 pockets. Like I said, I will do a full review after I've used it. Thanks for watching.